Hello, welcome to my channel. My name is Mary from Mary'sKitchenMtl. In this video, I will show you how to make fried zucchini flowers. Zucchini flowers are the edible flowers that grow on the zucchini plant. If you don't grow zucchini in your garden, you can buy these flowers at a farmer's market. This is the recipe for 40 to 50 zucchini flowers. Begin by washing the flowers very gently under cold running water. Allow them to dry on a clean kitchen towel. Add the ingredients in a large bowl. Add the water in gradually. This is the right consistency for the batter. Add the flowers to the batter. Add olive oil in a large skillet. Heat the oil over medium-high heat. Test the oil by adding a droplet of batter. The droplet will sizzle and float once the oil is ready for frying. Gently add spoonfuls of the batter with flowers into the hot oil. Fry until golden and crispy, about 2 minutes on each side. Drain the fried zucchini flowers on paper towels. I hope that you enjoy these little bites of heaven. They are amazingly delicious and so very easy to make. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching and please subscribe to my channel for more recipes. I'll see you next time.